Meaning of enteric.
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 Enteric. The term enteric is used to describe something that relates to the intestines. It can refer to the enteric nervous system, which is a complex network of neurons that controls the gastrointestinal tract, or to enteric bacteria, which are microorganisms that live in the intestines and play a role in digestion. Enteric diseases are illnesses that affect the intestines, such as gastroenteritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Overall, the term enteric is used to describe anything pertaining to the intestines or the processes that occur within them.